Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to farm decorations in Monster Hunter World. There are two popular ways to farm decorations in Base World. The Greatest Jagras and the names Lavasioth. First, head to the quest board. Select the event quest, The Greatest Jagras. This is the fastest decoration farming method. Once you're in the quest, head to the first area in the ancient forest. Wait for the Great Jagras to eat one of the Aptonuts. Let the Jagras see you. It will start doing a move where it spits food out of its stomach. During this process, it will also spit out decorations. Make sure you pick these up because they will despawn. After a while, the Jagras will stop spitting out decorations. This means you've already picked up the maximum amount possible. You can finish the quest normally, but what I like to do is open the in-game menu and select Return from Quest after picking up the maximum number of decorations. If you want rarer decorations, you can do the quest The Name's Lavasioth. Unlike the previous method, this one requires you to actually hunt the Lavasioth. This method rewards you with 3 or more warped phase stones. Warped phase stones give you more than double the chance to obtain extremely rare decorations compared to the Greatest Jagras. And that's how to farm decorations in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.